In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door panel on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the door. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, get under the trim piece and pop it straight back. Inside of there, we have a T30 screw we have to remove. Remove the bolt. Using a trim tool, get behind the trim piece for the door. Pop it straight out. Using a T30 Bit twist the lock open. We're looking up at the bottom of the door, and we have two ports on the bottom of our door, and inside of here we have two more of those locks. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench, or you can use a T30 Bit and twist these locks into the open position. There's one right here, and then we have one right over to the right of it. Do this on both of them. Using a trim tool, get in between the door panel and the door. We're going to slowly work this up. Felt a few of the clips release, so now I can get my fingers in between the door and the door panel. So we're going to give it a good pull towards us. Undo all of those clips. Then we'll lift straight up on our door panel. Now we just have a few wires behind it we need to get undone. We're going to remove the cable for the door handle. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and get under that locking tab, pull straight back, and then remove the hook. And we'll go right in front of that right here. Remove the connector, push on the tab on top, pull straight back, remove it. We have one more right in front of that. Push on the tab, remove the connector. Remove the connector. There's a push button right on my forefinger. Open up the tab, pull straight back on the harness, and remove the connector. Pops over this tab right here. Remove the connector for the window switch. There is a tab right on my thumb. I'm going to push down towards the bottom of the vehicle, pull straight back. I was pulling down on this blue lock. Push on the tabs on either side and pull straight back. Pinch the two tabs on the side, pull straight back, and remove the connector for the light. Remove the connector. There's a push button right on my forefinger. I'm going to push on that tab, pull straight back, remove that connector. Remove the door panel. Install the connectors to the door panel. Push until you hear a click. Install all of the connectors, install the cable to the door handle. We're going to attach that hook, and then we're going to pull that cable back. Install the door panel down onto this top sill first, and get this front clip started. Go around the door and get all of the clips installed. Close the locking tab in the top left. Install the trim piece, get the 3 clips installed. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Install the trim piece. We're going to start at the top and then work it down. Make sure it clips into place. We're going to lock down the 2 locks on the bottom of our door. There's one right here, and we have one more right in front of it. Close both of those locks until they lock into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.